Hey guys, this is Aaron Cochran, and welcome to our team. Welcome to our Hootsuite.com training video. So Hootsuite, if you don't know, is our current social media management platform. This allows us to post on any and all social media platforms simultaneously and do scheduling. And we try to run as far out as we can. We shoot for 12 months in advance, but in adding some additional things in. But I'll go through over a basic tutorial for you. You'll find the logins to this on Monday.com under logins. This is a team login account. There's not multiple logins. But if we go under the home tab, once you log in, you can go through a couple different things here. You can go plan, which will bring up a calendar view for us. And you can go out as far as you humanly want. And it'll tell you what's coming out on what days. It'll tell you, see, Facebook, Instagram, uh, all those different types of things. And it'll tell you what time that they're going to be posted at. It's not always necessarily the same time. If you do a scheduled post, it can vary depending on traffic on when you want those to get posted. So it'll also give you cheat sheets on the top here as you're looking at the calendar view. Sunday was National Mac and Cheese Day, National Clean Beauty Day, World Emoji Day, and Nelson Mandela International Day. So these are things that you can go in here and create, even using AI, and create a fun post. I always recommend adding a photo or something like that of it so that you can post about whatever weird day that it is. So you can go through, that's under the plan tab, and you would just go through here, scroll through. Let's look at, let's go out a week. You'll see that there's some recommended times that will pop up. Recommended times are meaning that, like this one's saying Instagram, by Tennessee Dirt's Instagram, 7 a.m. would be a great time to post there. Same thing, Instagram, Twitter on Thursday at 8 a.m. Instagram, and then those will vary throughout the day, just depending on historically what times people get on social media. So you can click those as recommended times, and you'll see that come up later here as well. You can go to create a post, and in here you'll select the accounts. We can upload whatever accounts that we want to in here. So if there's other places that we want to post them to, we can do that as well. They have to go to a business page, I believe, but we might be able to use a personal page. We'll have to play with that as well. So go through there and you select the items, the places that you want to post. And like we can click TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Indeed is what we're currently using. So you'll see all those posted at the top here. Go in and add media, upload from computer. You can do this on your mobile device as well. But for example, we can just do, let's just talk about the counter offer, which is a project that Rachel and I are working on. It's a podcast that we'll be coming out with this fall. And we're just talking about it's coming soon. So you'll see if there's issues or anything like that. As you know, TikTok doesn't do static files. So this is a photo and not a video. So you'll go up here and just remove from this post the fact that it's a photo so that you can't post it to Instagram. And then we can go in here and you can write whatever you want to write. Coming this fall. And then I always try to put our website in. Especially when posting on social media, it's going to help keep us in compliance with one click away information. So if I'm missing something on here, like broker's phone number, addresses, things like that, we're covered by posting that by TennesseeDirt.com information there. You can go through here and add AI hashtags, and it'll base it upon what you write in here. So the more comprehensive that you write your post, the more information will pop up in here. So you can add all those hashtags if you want to. This is just for training purposes, so I'm not going to really get into it too far. And then schedule for later, or I can schedule now. You'll notice in here recommended times for July 15th today, and I can go through there and just choose which times I want to. So, or you can go for tomorrow. So apparently this evening is a hot time, 9 to 11 p.m. and click done. And it will schedule all of those posts for us once you click schedule. So if we go back here to the 15th, you'll notice that this has been scheduled at 9 p.m. to go on to all of these platforms for us in just one click. What we really like about this program, not just the easeability about posting everywhere so that you don't have to have login information for everything, but we can also go in here and click analytics, and we can look at analytics for our different social media accounts and all that type of stuff, how we're posting, our post engagements, all those different types of things, and how we're trending in our industry versus others in our industry. So we can even set in there if there's a specific social media content creator that you like, we can put it in there, and we can base our growth and movement in our social media stuff on compared to them. So, which is kind of fun. So it'll give us all the analytics and all that stuff as well. And then it'll give you listening basics, so local trends. So we can type in here what's trending in Tennessee real estate and see if anything pops up. Key metrics, top themes. So it's pretty positive when it comes to Tennessee real estate. And in the last 7 days, the top themes are Tennessee, estate, and these are some of just of our keywords that are hitting right now. So some great tools in here. So if we want to upgrade, we can pay for a higher level upgrade, and we can listen to, what influencers are doing the best and what the demographics are and where people are moving from or talking about Tennessee real estate. So it gives us a lot of information in here as well. But Hootsuite's pretty simple. Feel free and log in, schedule posts. It's all about consistent posting and collaboration. So utilize the platform. If you're uncomfortable using it, it's totally fine. We can create a place to have you upload what you'd like to have posted, or if you've created the content in Canva, you can upload it and we can get it scheduled for you, and then we will let you know what the scheduled date for that post is. So other than that, if you have any questions about Hootsuite and how it can help you and how it can help us grow as a team, this is going to give us one voice. And then what you would do is once you posted it to all these things, you would just go share it through your personal platform so that we are consistently talking about the same stuff, and it is all brand relevant. So other than that, I hope you have a great week, and we are happy to have you as part of our team. Look forward to any questions you have. Take care.